One of my favorite things on a cold winter day is a hot bowl of homemade chicken soup. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Today I'm making another family favorite, Mexican chicken soup, or as we call it, green chili chicken soup. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my Mexican chicken soup, the ingredients I'll be using are 2 poblano chilies, 2 teaspoons of virgin olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 red bell pepper seeded and chopped, a half a cup of chopped carrots, 1.5 teaspoons of crushed garlic or 3 garlic cloves chopped, 5 cups of chicken broth, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil or 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 to 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken breast, and 1 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn drained. First, I need to roast my poblano chilies over an open flame. If you don't have a gas stove, your barbecue grill will work great, or you can simply roast them under your oven broiler. After rinsing and drying my peppers, I place them directly on the burners of my gas stove. I want them blistered and charred all over, like this. They should appear soft, not hard or waxy. I put my charred chilies into a glass bowl and then seal it with plastic wrap to allow the peppers to steam or sweat at least 10 minutes, which loosens the skin and makes them easier to peel. While my poblanos are sweating, it's time to chop up my veggies. I like them small, usually between 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch in size. Now my poblanos are ready to be peeled. And here's a tip. I always buy the straightest peppers I can find because roasting and peeling them is so much easier. I like to rub my peppers with dry paper towels to rub off the charred skin. And then once peeled, I slice them open, remove the seeds, and chop them just as I did my other veggies. Now I'm ready to cook my soup. All of my ingredients are good to go. I've already pre-cooked and shredded my chicken, and you can check out my video on the best ways to do that through the link in the description. I set my burner on medium-high and add my oil, garlic, red pepper, onion, and carrots, and then sauté until soft. Now I add the rest of my ingredients and finish by adding the broth and basil. As I look at the soup, it seems a little veggie heavy. I happen to have leftover shredded chicken, so I throw that in too for a total of about 2 cups of chicken. Once my soup starts to boil, I add a lid, lower the heat to a simmer, and continue to cook for 30 minutes. My soup has finished cooking, but there's just a couple more things I need to make this meal tasty, festive, and fun. For me, I like to add some shredded cheese plus some assorted tortilla strips for texture and color, or you can simply crunch up your favorite tortilla chips on top. I'll often add a small quesadilla, some chips, salsa, and guacamole for dipping. We often serve the soup with a dollop of sour cream, some really good hot sauce, and a squeeze of lime to liven things up. This will bring your family to the dinner table where family is built, because if you feed them, they will come. So go make some right now.